Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix this "you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior" error code 268. So I will show you the step-by-step method on how you can fix this error code. So the first thing that you're going to do is restart your computer. So you just need to click on the start menu icon here at the bottom and click on the power button here and then click on restart. Then once you restart, you can now open again your Roblox, or you can also try testing different Roblox game. Now the second method here is just to make sure that the Roblox is not down at this time. You can check this in status.roblox.com, and here on this website you can find here if the systems is operational. But if the Roblox having some issue, you just need to wait for an hour to fix this, and you can try to open your Roblox application. Now the third method here is to try using different browser. You can try Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or other internet browser here. Now the fourth method here is to disabling your third-party extensions. So click on the three dots and then click on the extensions. And here, once you click these extensions here, click on Manage Extensions. Here, you just need to remove or disable or block some third-party extensions. Then once you've done, you try to restart your browser. Now the fifth method here is to lag out all devices. Go here on Roblox homepage, then click on Settings. And then go to your security option. And here you can actually lag out all sessions here. So you just need to choose here, for example, you just click on the arrow icon and then click on lag out of sessions. Now the sixth method here is to uninstall third-party apps. Example here is the auto-clicking software or bots that can affect your Roblox. And this may be the reason why you have that error code 268. Now the seventh method here that you're going to try is to take 1 hour break from using Roblox, and then you just need to play again it later. Now on the eighth method here is to clear your web browser data, then log in back again. So to do that, you just need to click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. And then you just have to click on the settings here. And then at the left side of your screen, click on privacy and security. And then here, click on this clear browsing data and choose basic and click on this clear data button. Now once you've done here, you can now log in back your account. Now on the ninth method here, you just need to download and play Roblox from Microsoft Store. So you just have to search for Roblox and then you just have to download and install this on your computer. Now on the 10th method here is to disable your firewall or antivirus software. So you just have to follow this steps here, instructions on how you can disable your firewall. But you can unblock Roblox firewall, then turn it on after you're done testing. Now on the 11th method is try to reinstall your Roblox application. So first go to App Settings, Installed Apps, and then just have to search for Roblox. And all you need to do here is first is uninstall your Roblox app. And once you uninstall this one, you just need to reinstall by going to the Roblox homepage. Now on the 12th method here that you're going to do is to change the DNS settings. You can use this DNS server 8.8.8.8 and the alternative DNS is 8.8.4.4. And then you just have to restart your computer. Now let's go to the 13th method here is to start with a compatibility mode. So go to the start menu icon here and then go to Roblox icon and just have to right click this. And then you just need to find the properties. So click on properties and then you just need to go to compatibility. And then you just have to check the boxes, run this program in compatibility mode 4. So you just have to choose Windows 7. And then you just have to check the box here, run this program as an administrator. Well, once you've done here, just click on the apply button and click on the OK button. Now, if you follow all the steps here and you find that the problem persists, you just need to go here on roblox.com/support and you just need to contact the Roblox support here. Send a brief description about your Roblox code 268. And that's it. That's how you basically fix that Roblox code 268. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.